Harry's Liquor offers the selection and experience of a full-service liquor store right inside multiple Price Choppers and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. Let's dive into this week's Harry's Liquor lesson. Tequila. There are two types of tequila, gold and silver. Gold tequila gets its color from being made with agave and aged over a period of time in wooden barrels, whereas silver or white tequila is aged in stainless steel barrels and for a lesser amount of time. This is why silver tequila generally costs less, though as in all liquors, there are different levels of quality or shelves that vary in price as well. Gold tequila has a smoother and slightly sweet taste. Because of this, gold tequila is more often used for sipping. Silver tequila has a stronger taste and is best for mixing cocktails, such as margaritas. Pick up your preferred tequila today at your local Harry's and ask our Harry's teammate if you have any questions.